Binary options are one of these. They allow you to bet that a stock, currency, index, or just about anything that is capable of being measured in financial terms will move up or down in seconds. They have been labeled as the biggest investment con in Breda and by Consumer Group, which, while the Financial Conduct Authority warned in November that those who pile their cash into such propositions make a loss more often than not. Investors of binary options are often lured by flashy marketing campaigns, often through social media, from providers promising eye-watering rates of return. However, the sad reality is that people typically lose money on them, and the quick-fire nature of these trades leads to uninformed decision-making. Investors are offered higher returns for lower probability events and lower returns for higher probability events, so they need to beat the odds on a regular basis to make a profit. This factor, along with the short duration of trades, can cause addictive behavior typically associated with gambling, according to the city watchdog. The regulator also said those who invest in binary options are at greater risk of falling victim to scam artists than the more mainstream propositions. Such unscrupulous individuals commonly take bets from punters, but fail to place them on their behalf, and manipulate software to distort prices and payouts, meaning they could control whether the victim would win or lose. They also commonly refuse to return client funds and break all contact with customers. Binary Tilt failed to respond to This Is Money's request for a comment on the matter. Which said it was concerned by the terms and conditions of all 10 companies reviewed. It said that many offered initial bonuses that required investors to trade up to 40 times their deposit before they were allowed withdraw cash. What's more, the Consumer Group claimed that some sites stated that customers would only be allowed to withdraw their profits, effectively banning them from getting their original investment back. At present, The Gambling Commission has overseen binary options trading, but only if the firm has remote gambling equipment in the UK. To check whether a company holds an operating license from the Gambling Commission, you can search its public register of licensees. From 3 January 2018, binary options will be regulated in the same way as investment products and will be regulated by the FCA. The industry consensus is that binary options should form no part of an investment strategy, be it long or short term. Some investors might find these products attractive because they essentially only have to guess whether or not something specific will happen. And more crucially, don't confuse it with a sensible long-term investment strategy. It is horrifying to see that around £50 million has been reported lost to binary options scams. It's another rallying call for more financial education.